I'm about to pick up this 2023 CRF450 off Marketplace, but when I got there, the seller wanted more money. Let's see if we can clean it, flip it, and make some profit. And stay tuned for the end of the video where I reveal how much I paid for the bike, the cost of the parts, and how much my total profit came out to. Let's go. Nice to meet you, I'm late. Sir, I'm recording in glasses, that's fine. You said what? For real?
You can touch it if you want.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
How long you had it for? For real? You replacing anything since you had it?
Just got wrench all bars, wheels. Yeah, put new wheels on it. Put a sprocket, put some front covers. This wouldn't have been broken, but my buddy dropped it the other day.
Yeah, you say they need new tires, yeah?
Yeah, it needs new tires. Pretty solid.
Ever had any oil leaks or anything like that?
No.
No?
It ain't hot, is it? Pop this off. I said it's full.
No, I bet.
Yeah, it's
I could go up and down right here. He asked if he could hold on to some cash while I went for the test ride, and yeah, I went to go grab it. Yeah. I could go up or down.
You can go up or down. There's a church down there. You turn around that.
Alright, cool. And right here, I can't believe I stalled a bike. Then I stalled it for a second time. That's crazy. Damn. Man, I was sliding out here. Not back tire. I came back and the bike rode pretty good, and I thought it was a done deal until bro hit me with that. I don't know if I can sell it for that low.
That kills me. I really need the money too. That's the thing.
Yeah, I feel you. And his buddy wasn't helping either when he said this.
He gonna probably turn around and flip it. That's what he doing with it.
I know.
Man, up to you, man. I got the cash. Up to you.
Let me talk to Dad real quick.
Alright, no problem. And this is what he came back out and said.
You could come up on the price and feel better.
I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Come on, I'm here for it. I'm here for it.
Yeah, I definitely wasn't trying to go up more on the price because we had already agreed to a price before I made a drive out here. In the end, he finally budged when I was about to walk away, and then yeah, we went inside and saw the paperwork and all that. And finally, I'm loading the bike up damn near 3 hours later. Crazy.
I'm waiting to see what you sell it for, so I can drop some more.
I made it back home and the drive wasn't too bad. Luckily, it was only an hour away, so yeah. It's now the next morning, so now I'm about to unload the bike and assess the damages so we can order some new parts for it. Let's go. So I'm about to take the tire off the bike because I found a pretty good deal on a tire on Marketplace, and then we're going to drop it off at Cycle Gear so they can put a new tire on. Let's go. Yeah, I bet. I appreciate it. Alright, so the tire is now dropped off, and while that's getting worked on, I'm about to start cleaning the bike up. Some new parts just came in, so let's get those installed. So I could get a call and said the tires were done, so I went to go pick those up. So I got a new tire installed and I was trying to drain the oil and all the oil spilled over, of course. But now we're about to put some fresh new oil in the bike. So now I'm about to get the bike looking all glossy and clean with my tire shine and my plastic restorer. Now that the bike's all clean and ready to go, I'm going to get some pictures taken so we can post it on Facebook Marketplace. Let's go. The pictures came out really good and I got it listed up on Marketplace, and this is what my listing looks like. And now we wait for an interested buyer to come out and buy the bike. So finally the bike is getting sold today. We got somebody that's like 4 minutes out. Hopefully we can get it sold. So let's go. Malik, nice to meet you.
Luke, nice to meet you.
Sir.
I've seen you on TikTok
Really?
before. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm recording the glasses. But yeah, this one I got it from the original owner in Alabama. He did everything, paid everything off. The only thing Alabama does issue the title for it. Otherwise, I'm not. Yeah, everything's clean, been clean.
Pretty good. Mind if I give it a tip?
Yeah, you good. You can go ahead.
I'll take her if you'll throw in that stand for it, because I don't have mine anymore.
So I only have that red one. I have to use that because that's what I use for my videos and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm sorry about that.
No, you're good. I understand.
While he went to go grab the cash, I started filling out the bill of sale. They saw the cash was good, so now I'm about to get the bike loaded up on his truck. Sign down the bottom. Alright, here you go, man. I appreciate it, man.
I really appreciate
Yes, sir.
it.
Let me know if you have any more questions and all like that. And just like that, we got the bike sold in just 4 days. So now it's time to go over the cost breakdown of everything. The expenses came out to $140, which included gas for the truck, and the new parts that I got, which included a tire, the new clutch lever, and the labor for installing a tire. The cost of the bike was only $3,000, and I ended up selling the bike for $4,000, leaving me with a total profit of $860. And yeah, I could have profited more if I had installed a tube myself, which I tried doing, but I ended up popping a tube. But luckily I had a tube laying around, and I could have maybe gotten a little bit more out of the bike if I'd waited a little bit longer. But I like to have quick turnaround times on these flips, plus the market was pretty slow with this bike. But yes, sir, that was it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I appreciate y'all for still sticking around here and still watching, and I would appreciate it if y'all could leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.